I'm currently right now on the Greenberg Train Show. There's absolutely freaking nothing here so far. But I just got here, so I can't really be talking about much. But hopefully I find some like Trackmaster stuff. I really need Gordon's at.
I could have my Gucci on, I could wear my Louis Vuitton, but even with nothing.
The action, the suspense. It's all new Thomas and Action Canyon.
Nobody asked for this on the channel. It's all new Action Canyon, and Thomas is going to have his balls terminally ripped from his smoke box bottom. I don't know why he'd have testicles in that spot, but don't worry about it.
I think that might be Joe saying that. I don't remember. I know.
Double Edward.
So Dieseltown's afraid of sugar because it's bad for his engine.
I love McDonald's, it's my favorite.
Fatty like fast food, like fries.
I guess he's a greasy diesel.
Yeah. But sugar, but ironically, sugar is bad.
How can I put my fucking Trackmaster Super
Yeah, I can understand that. That is perfectly reasonable. I would do the same.
Yeah.
I would do the same thing.
But yeah, when people are nice, I mean, don't
I have no right to be doing this. This feels like I'm committing a crime right now.
I mean, like my friend Noah, he's the one doing the show.
Yeah.
And we all have our stupid fucking customs. Like, yeah.
I got it. Oh, you got it.
It's his train.
Oh.
It's a Japanese.
Yeah, what's this piece of shit, man? It's the shape confused me. I was like, what is that British?
I want to put him with top. Put him in a truck.
Wait. I don't have the one. I have the one without. I've been using that. No, he's not. Oh god, his face is coming off. Yeah, let's just get on there. My Tom. Yeah.
Hey kiddies, it's me, Thomas! And today, I'm going to be teaching you how to rip people's...
Decided to move on and carry on as usual.
Yes, that's an A.
I'm so splendid in red. Nobody can take away my shiny red paint from me. I'm the pride of the line. Nobody can match to my red paint. I am the best. No one stop.
I think this one went to Audrey Extravaganza.
Did it?
Yes, this is a little guy who dominated on wooden railway tracks. These little, this scuffed jams and tiny perpy. Look at this. Why is he so tiny? Low intelligence specimen right here.
He's big, he's red, he's splendid, and he's actually kind of obese because he's been packing up those pounds at Burger King, but you know, that's besides the point. It's James, I know!
The power of the Redding.
I can wear my... No, wait. It's okay though. I can have my Gucci on. I can wear my Louis Vuitton.
Okay, chat, so let me get something straight. This J&R coach is $6, but if you take this tiny little engine over here, he is like $20. Like, I know you can't see the tag, but trust me, he's $20. Like, what the frick? How is he less expensive than this coach? I don't know.
This is $4,800 right now.
Oh, my boy.
This is literally $4,800 right now.
Definitely seen better days. Good representation, I must say. There once was a time.
You should go to Sodor, the magical land for all engines to live forever and ever.
That's not his forehead. That's not his forehead. That's like his spinal cord.
Something.
Just built like that.
So big.
What do you know what else is so big?
We are not gonna. I would ask you to not go any further.
What if Ninja got a look?
We shall put it on a Discovery channel.
Tell me about this strange caterpillar you see right here.
This is the Long Island Railroad / Pennsylvania Railroad. DD1, a very special type of...
DD1, DD's not...
What is my purpose for being in this world? And his friend next to him.
question that every day.
His friend next to him also has a single eye. This one looks
No,
like
he has a... What do you mean he has a single eye? He has 3 eyes.
He has 3 eyes. He's like that one guy from Dragon Ball. I freaking forgot his name. This, I'm capturing his beautiful face. Look at him. He has no face. He doesn't even have any lamps to represent eyes. He just has a single Cyclops eye lamp at the top. Look at that big A looking thing. What is that?
He's smoking.
Smoke weed every day.
No, I'm not gonna say it. But I feel like I should say it.
Caboose. Do you think it's cherry flavored, like sour cherry flavored? Like the dark red indicates it's sour.
Yes.
It's sour cherry.
No, it's not sour. It's extremely sour.
It's extremely sour apple, actually. I think that's more of an apple color than a cherry.